Hey y'all, hey. Out here in this cold. Just dropped my car off at the shop. So now I gotta walk home. But anyways, it's me, Donna Marie. I'm here to give y'all a few more tips on how to grow your channel, how to grow your page on YouTube, how to get subscribers, how to get views. It's cold out here, y'all. So, I found a new little tip that I can pass on to y'all. And it deals with YouTube Studio. But you can only get to it on either desktop or laptop. So, you know when you go to upload your video, y'all, it's a section right up under the description that talks about, it's a little section in there that says something about tags. And on all my other videos, I kept leaving it blank. You know? It's a few little things in the details of your video that you should add in there. And it works, y'all. It works. So, as far as the tags, I'm getting tired, y'all. As far as the tags, put tags in there in the tag section, in the description. Put tags that's related to what y'all talking about. Put tags that's related to what your video is about. You can put as many tags as you want in there, y'all. That's what's so crazy about it. And when you put the tags in there, that shows, that tags other creators or other people that's looking for the same thing that your video is about. So it works. Put your tags in your video, y'all. And another thing, create a playlist. Create a playlist so you can put your playlist in your description. And that gives an opportunity for more views, for more people to view your other videos. I'm looking down because it's snow out here and I don't want to fall, y'all. But yeah, the playlist, the tags. Hey, yeah, how you doing? Okay, so yeah, make sure y'all got y'all tags in there. Tag as many things that you can that's related to your video, related to the content that you're putting out. It helps, y'all. I did it last night on a video, and the engagement, the views that I got was amazing, y'all. Lord, I gotta watch out for dogs too, y'all, because I don't want no dog running out on me, y'all. But also, the playlist. Create a playlist, y'all, of like 1 or 2 maybe videos that you have already made, and put it in your video. Put it in your description, y'all. It helps get your other videos views and your other content views, y'all. I did it, I created it, I tested it, I tried it, and it worked. So I'm here to tell y'all, the playlist works, your tags works, and also, ooh child. And also, don't forget to reach out to other creators and let them know that you're watching, you're following them as well. Because that's important too, y'all. Ooh, I'm getting out of breath. Y'all, it's not easy doing this. But I can tell y'all, oh shit, y'all. Y'all hear that? I knew it was one somewhere, y'all. I knew it was a dog somewhere. I just didn't know where. Whew. And I got on up out his way too. For real, for real. Okay. Now back to what I was saying. This is not easy. This journey is not easy. But I can't tell y'all. It's been rewarding. I'm learning, some ice. I'm learning a lot. I'm sharing everything I learned. The views, the engagement, the people I'm connecting with, the people that's connecting with me is amazing. And I always used to have my kids, my daughter, do stuff for me, make my videos and things like that. But I'm learning all this stuff on my own, slowly but surely. But I am learning, and that's what's the importance about it. And I'm growing. My community is awesome, y'all. Y'all awesome. My return subscribers is awesome. My new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Continue to come along and get these tips and secrets that I'm passing along. I will have some more videos at the end of this video so you can watch and get some more tips. Ooh, y'all, it's cold. And some people don't like to shovel they snow, they sidewalks. But anyways, one more tip that I got to share is be nice, y'all. Be nice, engage with your community, engage with people on your post, share quality content, valuable content. It's very important, or people will not come back and watch you if you don't. So it's important to do that. Ooh. Oh Lord, it's a lot of ice. Okay. So if you think you can't do this, you're wrong. Anybody can do this. You got to stay consistent. You got to show up for yourself. You got to stay consistent. You got to show up for yourself. You got to give value content so someone can learn from it or get something from it. It's very important. Whew. I'm out of breath, y'all. I finally came to a clear sidewalk. Yeah, it's very important that you get value, that you stay consistent. Don't forget your tags and your descriptions. Don't forget to make that playlist and put it in there to get more engagement. Don't forget your end screens is very important. At the end screen, to add an extra video, to add 1 or 2 extra videos so you can get more view time. Don't forget to put your playlist in your description box. It's very important. That's how you get more views. Also, don't forget, ooh, it got dark, y'all, I'm sorry. Don't forget to follow 5 small content creators and make sure you go on their pages, you engage, you watch their videos, you go in their comments, you support them. Be nice, y'all. Be cordial, y'all. Let YouTube algorithm know who you are, what your content is about. And also, don't forget your hashtags. Your hashtags do work. They do mean a lot. Your hashtags is valuable. It helps the algorithm put you out there. Ooh, I'm losing light. Also, not just your hashtags. Make sure your title is SEO friendly. That makes a difference as well. Your hashtags, your title your description, all that. Make it all relatable, SEO friendly. Make sure the algorithm is happy with it. Don't forget to, I'm getting cold, y'all. Don't forget to, I'm pasting in one area, y'all, because I see a couple dogs in front of me and I don't want to continue down the street until they go on about their business. I'm almost to my destination though. But yes, your title, make sure your title is SEO friendly. Make sure your hashtags is SEO friendly. Make sure the content that you're giving is SEO friendly, important, value. Whatever your hashtags in your video, make sure you put them in your description box. Put them in your description box. Make sure, I'm trying to think. And watch these dogs at the same time, because these dogs is distracting me, y'all. I ain't got nothing with me to protect me, y'all. Oh, they right here in front of me. Okay. I think they gone. Yes, your title needs to be SEO friendly to match your content. Make sure your hashtags is SEO friendly to match your content. Your description is SEO friendly to match your content. Everything has to match with YouTube and the algorithm, so they'll know where to place your video at and who to place your video in front of. It's very important. It gets you the views. Oh, it's cold. I'm sorry. I'm losing my voice, y'all. It's early in the morning. But yes, all these things is to guarantee y'all views and to guarantee you subscribers. I'm not saying you're gonna go viral or nothing like that, but it definitely will get you views. It definitely will get you subscribers. I started this account 2 weeks ago with 0 subscribers just to see how it would work, just to test the algorithm, to see if all this was going on in the YouTube streets was true. So this is what I did, and I believe it is working, y'all. It is working. It's working, y'all. So use these tips and strategies, and you're guaranteed to get some views. You're guaranteed to get some subscribers. Like I said, I ain't say nothing about you going viral or nothing like that. I'm here to build a community, to help people, and to pass along everything that I am learning and knowing. So, if this was valuable information that you can use, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and pass it on if you know anyone else that needs this information. And never expect anything less but the best for you and your loved ones. Until we talk again, good night. Well, good day.